eyes on me.
Hey, se baila. Hey, se baila. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Woo.
Take care, brother.
You too, man. Faith God. Don't cough. Don't cough.
Hey, man. You see it?
You see it?
Hey, I bet this motherfucker's about to finish that, dude. That water.
That's some good looking water.
Secret, Michael.
Hydrate today, boys and kids.
I'm definitely an asshole.
Why? You look like an asshole with those glasses on and that fresh cut and that little chin hair.
I think the glasses, dude, they turn me into something.
Oh, it's the aviators.
Oh, dude, I wore a couple aviators. I wanted to get them, but
Look at me, I already look like a douchebag.
the aviators were intense, dude. There was one that had like
Good morning.
they had like a bull frame on them.
I hope today is shiny as your day.
Boy, if you don't get your... Jeez. Yo, guys, vape kills. See it here firsthand. Don't do it.
Wait,
Wait, we need to come back, bro. We need to come back. Tasty, huh?
Thank you, bro.
Appreciate you, bro.
Good looks.
Yo, good morning. Buenos dias.
I just put it in, and you're just like, YouTube is ruining everything. You know what? YouTube ruins sex.
It's such a natural thing.
No, it's not natural when it's on YouTube.
Right. Oh!
Gotcha, bitch.
So we're here with an old friend. Drinking some water. What is that? Gatorade?
Gatorade, brother. Hey, it's not water, puta.
Hey, is the camera on me?
Yeah.
It's fucking Gatorade.
This tastes pretty good.
I'm busy. I want my followers. I love you guys. Subscribe. Deuce Crew, baby. Yeah.
Okay. Here, boys, some cracking.
Dude, that's a gator.
That's at least 35 foot.
Damn, he's moving faster this way.
I think that's
Can I jump on him?
That's a hammerhead.
Tyler, is that a Nerf? Oh, that's beautiful. I've never seen one that close. He's going down.
So we're here with the squad. We made it to the pier. It's about time to jump. Yo, who's jumping? Who's jumping?
Take a shot.
Oh yeah, shot for the vlog. Come on, baby.
Or the rest of
Put at
it.
it. Put at it.
Hey, I say you kill it.
Send that shit.
I say you
Send
kill
that
it.
shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what up, B?
That's right. So we're here at the pier. Who's jumping? Who's jumping? Who's jumping?
Me.
We're all jumping. Hey, Deuce Squad for the win, baby. You already know.
I'm jumping naked, baby.
Jump, baby. Jump far. Jump far. Oh. No belly fly. Moses, go. Moses, go. Alright, no belly flop. No
Level 1000. Wait, where's his? There's his pants.
I'm going. Watch out. Watch out. Here. Full send.
Yeah, boy.
Your squad.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah.
Oh my god. No. Come on, boy.
I know, right? Go, Moses, go.
Oh
First jump was
my.
successful. Deuce Squad, we out here, baby. You already know. We're about to hit the second one. Make sure if you enjoyed this video, man, to hit that like, that subscribe, hit that little bell if you want to see more shenanigans by Deuce Squad. You already know, baby. Yeah. Psych. Damn, girl, swim, girl. Oh my God, it's a shark. Shark.
Hey, chill out, bro. I ain't fucking with that. Gang outside. You know gang outside.
Oh Jesus, somebody just jumped. You already know, we with the squad. It's your girl Kyra. Yeah.
Watch out. Watch out, girl.
It's Kyra.
It's a beautiful
It's Kyra. The homegirl. You already know what's going on. Boy, they zooming her. They scooting. They're scooting. Homeboy with the sticks. Got the drone in the air.
You're the YouTube champion.
Ready?
Oh my God, baby.
Ready?
Oh my God.
Let's go, baby.
Yep. Let's go.
Full 5, baby.
Full 5, baby.
Do a send.
Only 13,000 viewers on you. Yep.
Oh my God, that was beautiful.
He hit that?
That was poetry.
Good shit, baby.
You're an animal. You're an animal. It's within your soul.
Oh no.
You gotta be confident while you do it. You gotta be confident. Confidence.
Don't think you do it normal.
Yeah, exactly.
If you think you can do it, you should.
Just jump normal.
Bro, this is for douche crew.
For douche crew!
Yeah.
It was at this moment that Blake knew he fucked up.
Well,
Yo, so how old were you when you had your first kid?
when I had my first kid,
Yeah.
whenever I first met your mother. You're my son.
Dude, do we look
I think we look alike. What do you guys
Yeah, I
think?
think that he looks like
I look like Jesus. I'm the fucking savior.
bro, especially with the rings on.
Yeah, I know. I'm surprised I didn't come off.
Yo, dude, straight chilling it, dude.
Yeah, baby! Yeah!
Yo, how old were you when you had your first kid?
What?
Oh wait, she's lesbian.
What? Shut the fuck.
She's lesbian, I forgot.
Who, Riley?
No, I'm
Yeah,
not. Fuck you guys.
Is she lesbian?
No.
Where's my fucking jewel, dude?
Right here, bro.
It's in the water. How's your back feeling?
Nah,
It's gonna feel sore.
My
Come on.
back feels like all the girls I banged in my life. Like sore.
That's about 2. Was it 2? Mom and grandma?
200.
Look at that.
Oh my. Coming up to my first person here. What's your name, brother? So here's the deal. If I get heads, you give me a kiss on the cheek. If I get tails, then you give me a slap right in the tutor. You know what I mean? So you ready? Which cheek? Whichever cheek. You can get both if you want, brother. Oh! Oh, it's heads. Jesus.
Kiss him on the cheek! Kiss him on the cheek!
I don't know, bro. That's gonna be on YouTube. Can I just motorboat your asshole?
Bro,
why don't you just go like this? And like kiss him with your cheek?
Oh, like yeah, like fake.
There you go!
Oh, I'm blushing, dog.
Big laugh!
Alright, Blake, who's our next victim? Alright. Starting right here, Lewis.
How you doing? Hey, so we're playing this game for YouTube. Say hi.
Hi.
Just say hi to Douche Squad.
Douche Squad.
Yeah, my boy. Alright, so heads is kiss and tails is slap. You wanna play?
Okay.
Let's go. Ready? Ready? It's heads.
It's heads.
It's heads.
Alright, so you choose whether it's in the lips or the cheek. I mean, it's whatever you're about, Blake.
Okay, cheek.
Oh, oh, okay. Name?
Tori.
Tori. Got our boy Kess.
My
You already
name's
know.
Linda. Nice
His
to
name
meet
is Linda.
you. Alright. So you see it's heads and it's heads. Alright.
All right, Linda. Oh! give him a good one. Come on.
Slap, yes. Give him a hard one. Come on, do it.
Oh!
So it's basically
He moved. Why are you so freaking intimidating, God?
Heads means you get to hit me.
Okay, what does tails mean?
No, tails means you get to hit her. Heads means
She can hit
She
him.
kisses me on the cheek.
yeah.
Oh no.
Okay.
You can kiss me on the cheek.
All right, bet. Okay, so heads. What was that again?
You get to kiss here on the cheek.
Okay.
Kisses from one person. What?
Your one person's gone
I
already.
got heads.
Yo, so it's hot as fuck. I'm fat as fuck. We're out here at Clearwater. We're wrapping up the end of the day, man. So it's been a great day.
Cheers to honor. If you can't come in there, come on her.
I don't even talk to her.
Yeah, baby.